Hi everyone, it's April 26th and I thought I'd do a follow-up on my Scilla presentation I did about its domination and smothering out plants. So you're looking at Scilla, see how wide and large the leaves are getting? But the cool thing is, you're looking at a plant that can actually compete with Scilla. It's Podophyllum peltatum. It's the mayapple. The mayapple has the strength in a large colony in a community to actually push its way, there it is, up through the Scilla before the foliage actually gets larger and smothers out the ground. So if you're looking at power plants, this is a power plant that can actually move through the Scilla, and I'll show it to you a little later, and form a beautiful canopy over the top of the Scilla. So it's Podophyllum peltatum. It's a plant that could push its way through. Actually, hostas could push their way through Scilla. Any plant that's underground has underground growing point and pushes its way through hostas, submissifugas, Calophyllum peonies would be a good plant. They would push their way through. So these are, if you have Scilla and you can't get rid of it, just use plants that can power their way through. You'll have to let the plants establish, so you have to thin the Scilla for a year or two and not let it crowd out the young plants you put in within it. All right, there's my minute and a half. Thank you for your time, and we'll see everybody later. Take care, bye.